Okay, I wanted to make a presentation in a little class about learning SQL. I think it's foundational enough that it touches the life of almost every employee in some way or another, whether you are asking for data from the data team, or you would like to be able to pull your own data on occasion, or you would like to start developing your own analytics for your department and there aren't enough analytics resources for you, or you just want the skill in your resume. There's a lot of reasons to learn SQL, and I think it's a very teachable skill. So I didn't know SQL until about a year and a half ago, and I learned it in about 3 months. Um, but I probably could have learned it a lot quicker if I had a better teacher. So that wasn't me. So I thought I would go ahead and make a little presentation. So I it's called structured query language. It's just a way to send questions to a database and get back a table of some data. So it's structured because every query you send, every question you send follows the same pattern. And it is a language because it's the way you interact and communicate with computer. The guy who created it did originally call it like SEQUEL, so it is correct to call it SQL, but you can call it SQL too. Doesn't really matter. This is a clip from a Netflix show, and they're watching like a DMV video, and they're like, "Wait, what was her job?" And the teacher's just like, "Tables," and that's all SQL is just tables. So we'll go through, start with the basics, just select statements, and then since I'm a big fan of learning by doing, I'll just do a bunch of practice problems basically, so I can show you how, and then give you a place where you can kind of follow along and do the same thing for free. So select statements are how you just pull the whole table, and then we'll show you how to do some filtering, join multiple tables together, do some aggregation to get like basically what you would do with pivot tables in Excel, and then talk about how you can break down complex logic into smaller pieces with something called CTEs, which are my favorite. So let's get started.